Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. If you love Snickerdoodles, here's one with a tasty twist. Snickerdoodles with a cheesecake filling. Here's what you'll need. For the cookie batter, butter and shortening, then cream cheese and sugar. Blend well, then add an egg and some vanilla. Next, combine the dry ingredients, flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. Mix well, add to the wet ingredients, and then continue to blend. The batter will be soft, so you'll refrigerate for several hours or overnight. For the cheesecake filling, you'll combine cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Mix well and refrigerate the filling too. When you're ready to bake, combine cinnamon and sugar, mixing well, and sprinkle a little bit onto a sheet pan or plate. With the rest of the cinnamon sugar mixture, I like adding decorative sanding sugar to give the cookie a sparkly coating. Pour it into a plate, and now you're ready to assemble. Scoop a rounded tablespoon of dough and roll it into a ball. Press down on the cinnamon sugar mixture to create a 2-inch disc. Spoon a small amount of filling on the dough, press to seal, and roll it back up into a ball. Then coat the dough ball in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Line a baking sheet with a silpat or parchment paper and place the cookie dough 2 inches apart. Remove to the oven and bake at 350 degrees for about 14 minutes or until the edges just begin to turn brown. When the cookies are done, slide them onto a cookie rack to cool. There's nothing quite like these cheesecake Snickerdoodles, so pour yourself a cup of Java and break open the deliciousness. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.